Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Now TV stick remote not working or responding, battery repair and reset guide. Fix 1 is check the batteries. Remove the battery from the remote, then insert a new fresh pair of new batteries. Make sure the batteries are installed in the correct direction. Then test the remote again. Second one is restart your Now TV stick. Unplug the Now TV stick from the power source, then wait about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and let it restart. Then try using the remote again. Third one is repair the remote. Turn on your Now TV stick, then hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment, then for about 5 seconds. Keep the remote close to the TV stick while it pairs. Then wait until you see a confirmation on the TV screen. Fourth one is check for block signal. Make sure you are within a few feet of the TV stick, then remove any object blocking the TV stick. Avoid placing the TV stick behind the TV if possible. Then test the remote again. Fifth one is reset the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote, then press and hold the pairing button for about 20 seconds. Insert the batteries again. Pair the remote with the Now TV stick again. Thanks for watching.